The Adaptiv Mini is an aftermarket camera and HDMI upgrade for your vehicle's original stereo system. Begin by removing the air vent panel on the dashboard. This is achieved by levering a clip on the inside of the air vent, then by using a bojo tool, pulling the trim out of the dashboard, disconnecting the wire in the process. Once out of the way, undo the two screws located at the top of the head unit and pull it out of the dashboard, disconnecting all the wiring as well as the hazard switch to fully remove. At this point, you can install and place your new aftermarket reverse cameras, leading the wires toward the head unit's opening. With the cameras now placed, you can now connect all of the wiring to our AV in harness. We will be attaching both the video input RCAs and the 12 volt power supply. See the instructions of the Adaptiv Mini for further details. Now you can look at connecting up the Adaptiv Mini interface, starting with a HDMI connection that will need to be sourced independently. Then begin to connect all of the major connections, including the power harness, the modified AV in, the LVDS in connector, as well as the vehicle's original LVDS out connector. Once the Adaptiv Mini interface is fully assembled, begin to reconnect all of the vehicle's connections. Ensure that you remember to use the Adaptiv's LVDS in wiring to replace the head unit's LVDS out connection. Once the head unit and dashboard have been reassembled, you will now need to access the vehicle's aux option. Now, when holding the back button for around 2 seconds, you will be able to access the Adaptiv Mini HDMI screen. By sourcing your own smartphone adapter, you can attach this to the HDMI output. Now, when you attach your smartphone, you will be able to see the phone's display up on your vehicle's OEM screen. You can then utilise apps like Google Maps and Waze to turn your original stereo display into a sat-nav system. Shifting into reverse now switches the screen's display to that of the reverse camera feed, allowing you to reverse with ease. Additionally, when shifting back into park, neutral or drive, the front camera view will now showcase on the car's display. This will showcase until you pick up a moderate speed. To find out more about the Adaptiv Mini, or if you would like to get in contact with us, head on over to www.adaptiv-multimedia.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels to keep up with the latest news and developments of in-car entertainment.